guys, welcome to my channel. Today it's more of going to be a chit chat where I talk about marketing. I love marketing. Marketing your business is something that is done consistently. If you want to grow your audience, grow your reach, if you want to build a strong brand, marketing should be part of your annual, your weekly, and your daily tasks. You must strategically put your business out there. Rub it in their faces if you must do, because that is the only way you will be in position to reach your target audience. This helps you to ensure that you build a strong foundation for your business. Where most people go wrong is that they don't know how or what those 5 questions you must ask yourself. The 5 W's: what, where, when, how, who. Once you have that in here, then you are on the right track to build the foundation of your business. Well, I can't answer that, but I'm just going to tell you the daily tasks that you must do every day to ensure that your business reaches your target goal. With my experience, there are 6 marketing tactics that you must follow every day. One of them is planning, use of social media, advertising, reviewing or analysis, promoting your business, promote and promote more. That's the best way you can get this. Using of email as the last marketing tactic that I use. However, today I will only cover planning. Today I want to share with you my #1 marketing tactic that has helped me move further with everything that I do with my daily career, and that is planning. Marketing your business, you must ensure that you put it in front of them. In front of them, and rub it into their faces. Your audience, your target audience, or even the people you want to reach to know more about your business, because that is the only #1 thing that will help your business's return on investment. Most people overlook this, but I promise you, when you plan better, you will surely get the results. And the key to ensure that your plans are followed or are implemented is to consistently supervise your staff or your colleagues. Let's say it's you yourself who's doing everything. You're an entrepreneur, but you are marketing, you are operations, you are everything. So you need to invest more time. Like, for example, when you start your own business, there's so many hurdles, and the most of all is capital. So you may not be in position to employ other people, but you may have different skills that can help push your business further. So what you have to do is, the day has 24 hours. So in the 24 hours, you have 8 hours of sleep. So what is left with the 16 hours of your time? I believe, being a new entrepreneur, you give 8 hours to your boss and 8 hours are left for you. However, you have a family, you have to take care of them. So that becomes a little bit tough. But for your business, you do anything to ensure that you aim at achieving that set goal that everyone has. Normally, your set goal may be you being a change agent in your industry, or perhaps you want money. Everyone loves money. Money helps you do other things, but also the fulfillment that your business or your objective for setting it is really making a change in your industry or in the people who are around you or the communities that you work with. Depends anyway. Think about planning, like pulling out a map before you go on a trip. Which streets you will pass by, what landmarks are on them, help you reach your destination. Once you have a plan in place, it will always help you into reaching your final destination in a place that is your main goal. Once you have a plan, it's easy to follow and also achieve your key objective. I always say that you must know where you are going to get there. Once that makes sense or that sinks in, then the sky is the limit for you and your team. Planning is a vital part of your marketing. Let's say you specify social media. You need to focus on that platform. One thing that you can do to enable you achieve your plans is that you may, let's say social media, you have a campaign for a month, and that campaign you have set targets, and the set target here is to grow your audience. So everything you do about that campaign should be around that. For example, for social media, you want to grow the audience, you put out posts which say, hey guys, we have goodies that we are giving out, and for you to join or to qualify to win these goodies, let's say you promote a destination and it's to win an overnight stay, let's say at Malakai Safari Lodge in Uganda. So you like, you share, and then you get a campaign. So that way so many people will reshare this post, all with the hope of that goodie that you've put there. Overnight at Malakai Lodge. Oh, I want to be at Malakai Lodge. It looks so spectacular, so beautiful. Just outside town, the quiet environment. Oh, I must post that. So putting catches for people helps them to interest themselves with your audience. And there you will see things changing for you and your company and the fan base. Let's say you've been at 100,000 likes, you'll find yourself going so far because this person will put effort into resharing your content in all the platforms that they feel that other people will see the information. For example, maybe their following is even bigger than what you have. You are at 100. They have 5,000 people who follow them, and they have 5,000 people who are their friends. So you tap into that following. So now that you have used the giveaway option to promote your business, you move on to using emails, writing to people, telling them about your business, introducing them to your pages, and voila, things start happening. But there is one key thing that you must do. That is social media adverts. And Facebook is the biggest platform out of them all, much as, some of us say, I like Instagram, I like Twitter. But Facebook for business is the best platform that you can go onto. And I want to leave you with one tip. The 80 to 20 rule of thumbs. Have you heard of that? What does the 80 to 20 rule of thumbs mean? That means that 80% of the time you are inspiring or you are giving people content that is beneficial to them, and only 20% of the time you promote your business. For example, my platform is about let's say Ngamba Island. It's a chimpanzee destination, so 80% of the time they are talking about the individuals they have, the chimpanzees. What are the things about chimpanzees that you must know? Or how do they take care of them? How do they feed them? Do these animals really, what are their behaviors? What are their interactions? Those are the questions people are asking themselves. So you educate them. That's the first thing. Then you tell them about why they should visit Ngamba. Maybe it is for a good cause. And there are people who like supporting causes, so those will jump on. Then 20% of the time, you call them out. You tell them, Ngamba is a wonderful place where you can visit. Do not miss it on your bucket list. Follow this link. Or you're offering an offer. Book now. 80% off. 40% off. Or if you purchase your ticket right now to Ngamba Island, we will give you a complimentary sunset cruise. Or rather, we will give you one of our experts. Sit with them and learn all you need to know about these animals that are in our care. Become a chimpanzee expert. Voila! Your business is moving miles right now. So, through the one marketing tactic of planning, I believe you have learned that planning is so vital for your business to help it reach further or reach that goal or bring that return on investment, the ROI, commonly known in marketing, to your business. If you are facing any challenges with your businesses, there are marketing platforms that you can go to, enrich yourself with the different skills that are required to ensure that your business moves further. I would recommend for you a few, but that is why we have Google. Go to Google, put in what your problem is, and there they will answer it. Anyway, just kidding. Go to futureland.com, educate yourself about marketing your business. Go to Marketing Solve. It has blogs and ways how they can teach you on how to improve on your business. Thank you for listening to me. Watch out for my second tool or tactic that you must do every month to ensure your business brings in the magic. Bye-bye.